What's up guys, KidMar95 here bringing you another episode. In today's episode we have a technical analysis on Digibyte here, currently up about almost 1/4%, sitting slightly below 2.5 cents, but we're looking at the BTC value, sitting at 369, up about a percent and a half, sorry. Really quick though, before we start this video, let's go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, or a thumbs down if you're one of those. Got much love for you as well. Market cap sitting at 211 billion, today's volume is 12 billion, Bitcoin dominant sitting at 54%. Not much has changed. BTC still slightly below 6.6. Ethereum still hanging out at 210. Ripple still hanging out at 45 cents, up 2% for the day. Bitcoin Cash down about 0.5%, sitting at 457. ETH still below 550, down about 0.5%. Lumen still hanging out at about 22. Litecoin still kicking it at about $55. Cardano back up above 7.5. Monero still hanging out at 106. Tron still hanging out slightly below 2.5, and IOTA still at 50. Some other coins I'm watching is Dash currently below 180 and Neo below 17. Big winners today: Mobile Go up about 16.5 and Tesos up about almost 15. DGX DAO up about 11 and Elasto's up about almost 7. Oh, excuse me. Big losers: Aeon down about 6.5 and Eternal Token down 6.25. Nebulous down about 6. But you folks came in for some Digibyte. Market cap sitting at 264 million. Today's volume is 1.9 million. Circulating supply 10.9 billion. Max supply 21 billion. Major exchanges here: Bittrex, Huobi, System Coin, Trade by Trade, Poloniex, Upbit, Hits, BTC, Qcoin, Litecoin, Cryptopia, Yobit, and Coin Exchange. First things first, BTC to USD on the daily. Yesterday we had that radical push from about 6.1 all the way up to about 6.8. If we get a daily breaking close above 6.7, I do believe this bear market is over. However, if we get rejected here at about 6.5 or 6.6, do expect our sell-off to continue towards about 6,000, if not 5.5. But just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Shifting over to Ethereum to USD on the daily. Nice little double bottom here, bottom 1, bottom 2, waiting for the daily breaking close above 230. Once we get that daily breaking close above 230, should see a nice push towards the upside. Litecoin to USD, same thing, bottom 1. That's actually a triple, bottom 1, 2, and 3. You could even call it 4. This would be 1, this would be 1, but I'm considering this 1. I'm waiting for that daily break and close, folks, above $56. Once we get that daily break and close above 56, should see a nice push towards the upside. However, if we get rejected at about 56, 55, do expect us to continue selling off towards about $45 per Litecoin. But you folks came in for some Digibyte to BTC. We're looking at the weekly here, been in a nice major downtrend since all-time highs. Momentum in favor of the bears. Looks like we actually formed a low. We had indecision here, and we've slowly been falling off. Looks like we actually had a lower high here at about 400 satoshis, testing our horizontal resistance. And then we tested our dynamic resistance here at about 387. Shifting over to our daily, we see price wanting to continue to sell off. If we get a daily break and close above 375, I'm looking to take a buy. However, if we get a daily break and close below 360, I think we're going to be selling off from about 360 all the way back down to 250. And what that's going to be doing is leaving us with a double bottom, which would be bottom 1. And then we'd have bottom 2 here at around 250. But that's what I'm looking out for. Either wait for that daily break and close above 375. If not, just kind of wait for it to sell off towards about 250. But where do I see this coin going in 2018, early 2019? Currently sitting at 364. I think this coin could easily come up to about 700 satoshis by the end of 2018, if not early 2019. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys subscribe. Have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.